What is good, B2 Crazy Squad? Hey, back here with another banger. Hey, today we got another $1,300 PC build, guys. So you know how about the first PC build that I built about a year and a half ago? It's on my channel. If you guys do want to watch that, it will be up here on the top of your screen, or at one of these corners. I'm not sure which one, but so I'll show you guys that PC real quick, and then we're gonna get into the $1,300 PC that I'm building right now. So I took the glass off for you guys. It's a little dirty right now. I do need to get in here and clean it, but this is the old PC. I did build this on camera for you guys. I think this was a $1,400 PC. I will put it on the screen if I'm wrong. You guys see that pop up now. I do have my steering wheel on top and my other monitor. I got a little setup going on, but it's nothing crazy right now. I'll do a setup tour once I get all my stuff cleaned and stuff. So, because we just got a new house. So with this new PC, I kind of went the same route. I kind of just try to get cheap deals, but I got the parts that I know worked in mine too. So I kind of went the same route with mine, got a lot of the same parts that's in this PC right here, but I think I got a little bit less of a GPU. So we're gonna get to the specs on this new PC real quick. Okay, don't mind the cat right there laying by it, but so we got the PC case. I'll put everything on the screen. I think it was around 80 something dollars. We got the 850 watt gold power supply, I think, fully modular. We have the 3050 6 gigabyte. Again, this PC doesn't need to be crazy beefed up because this is going to my little brother. He's running Roblox on it. He has a game on Roblox. I'll put his game in the description if you guys do want to go check it out for him. And then we got a 1 terabyte SSD. We got the Kraken cooler, which I copied this out of my build. This was a really good cooler for me, and it works still to this day. I also copied the same RAM out of it. I just need to get another pack for him. We only have one pack right now because RAM got expensive, guys. RAM, I don't know if you guys know, but the inflation on RAM is crazy. And then we went the same motherboard as the one that I have in my PC also. So there's all the components. I'll list the prices. I think it came out to $1,200, $1,300 after shipping. So we're just going to get to the build real quick. We're going to build this on camera just like I did the last one. And let's get into it, you guys. First thing we're going to do, clear the desk, get the motherboard ready, get the CPU, and get everything we need to put on the motherboard first. And then we're going to install the motherboard into the PC right after that. So let's get everything clear. Let's get this motherboard built. So the motherboard I will be using for this is the Pro B760P Wi-Fi, the DDR4 version. I'm not going to go super high-end DDR5. That stuff gets expensive right now. I don't really have the budget for it right now. This is my second PC, and I'm not even sure if my little brother can even pay me back. This might just be a gift for him. So we just went with the kind of a cheaper route, $1,300 PC, but you guys will see. But this is the motherboard we are starting with. Let's grab our CPU and our RAM. All right, so for our M.2, we're just using a 1 terabyte. This is the cheapest one I could find because there's $300 M.2 1 terabytes right now. I'm not paying that. I don't know if you guys are. I paid like $120 for this one, so I think it's a good deal. And for these, this is the cheapest one I could find. This is exactly what I have in the PC over here. I have 4, 6, and I'm pretty sure it's the same exact ones. So we got those, which are... These are 2 8s, so this is 16, which we can upgrade this. I'm going to get another pack, so there'll be 32 in this. And then I have the i5 12600K, which is this is the same CPU as I have in my PC right now, and it's been doing me good for the last year. So I think I got good buys on this. I'll list the price up on the screen right now, what I got everything for. I'm going to get this all built, and I'll jump back when it's all put together. If you have never built a PC, go check my first video out. I'll put the link up in the top right or the top left of the screen right now. But if you guys have not built a PC, what you're going to do first is pop this off. This little black thing will come up. Now, once the black thing is up, obviously, just lift this little lever up, pull this up. You're going to slide your CPU in there, and then once your CPU is down, this little black thing will pop off. So don't try to pry this black thing off. Don't do none of that. We're going to set the CPU down into those notches. And if you guys have not watched exactly how to do this, please watch the first video. It will tell you exactly how to do everything that I'm about to do off camera. So I'm about to install these. I'm about to install the CPU. I'm about to install the M.2 because you have to do that on the motherboard. And then, yeah, I'll come back to you guys right after that, and then we'll get to putting stuff in the PC, actually. This is where we got so far on the PC. We have the GPU in, we have the CPU in, we have the fans were already pre-installed in the case. And then we throw our RAM sticks in at 2 and 4 slot. I'm pretty sure that's where you put them if you only have 2. We still have all the cables to deal with. We have to deal with all the cables. By the way, the GPU is a 3050 overclocked edition, 6 GB. My brother plays Roblox, so I mean, he doesn't need a lot of storage or nothing like that. I mean, this is strictly going to be Roblox and probably editing YouTube or something. So we're not too worried about a crazy GPU. A crazy GPU. 4070 Super over here. I had a problem with this, as you guys will see. This just caught on fire on me yesterday. I'm not sure how it happened. I haven't started my PC up since it did that, but we will probably be ordering a new 5070 instead of a 4070. I'm not sure yet. I still might go back to the 4070 Super because it has not done me wrong yet, not once. Back to the new PC. Like I said, we have the GPU in it. We still have the 8050 watt power supply to go in. We're going to unbox this, put this in right now. And then right before we do that, we're going to put this in. So we have all the components in, and then we just have to connect all the power. So let's get the liquid cooler in here. Let's get it mounted on top. I'm probably going to mount it just like how I have mine, so I can route my cables the same way almost. And then, yeah, once this is mounted, we'll do the power, and then we'll see if she runs. So we've got everything in the PC now, and all we have left to do is wire the whole PC, wire the fans up, wire the liquid cooler. Once we get all that wired up, we're going to come back, and I'm going to show you guys if the PC does boot and show on my monitor. So let me get to wiring this all, and let's see if it boots up. But so far, it does look really good from the front. It is a little bit smaller of a graphics card than I'm used to because mine takes up a lot of space in my PC. But for a little beginner PC for my little brother, and it being $1,200, and the only part that he needs to upgrade on the PC being the GPU, let's get all the cables connected and we'll cut back when we're fully connected and see if it runs. Okay, so we got everything wired and we have everything set up from the power supply all the way to the motherboard, all the way from the liquid cooler, all the way from the fans in the back. We have the GPU plugged in, CPU plugged in, RAM plugged in, everything's plugged in. Okay, so we plug the power in. Oh, I haven't screwed this all the way in yet because it's still my test run. We're gonna power this on and see if it works, guys. Oh, that's not good. Hold on. Now it should work. Well, that's not good, guys. Wait a second. Okay. I don't like that. Configure setup. The fans aren't running. Something's wrong with the RGB fans. Okay, and then it turned itself off. Okay, what I'm gonna do real quick is check the fans, see what's wrong with them, see where I need to actually plug in these system fans at, and we're gonna start it back up. So we have the PC fully up and running now. I have it back at my setup. I have Windows 11 installed. I have all my drivers downloaded, and also on top of that, everything is running completely smooth. I still have the plastic on to surprise my brother with it. So guys, I mean, this has been a fantastic build. I'm pretty sure I put the price in the video already, but if I haven't, this is around $1,300 for everything that you're seeing right here, and to get it all running and booted and all that. Let me get my monitor plugged in. I'll show you guys it on real quick, and we'll wrap up this segment. So as you guys can see, the PC is fully running now. It is on the home screen. I just signed it into my account real quick, so it loaded all my games, but I have to go download it all. I'm going to download Steam. I'm going to get some benchmarks, and we'll end the video on the benchmarks on the PC. Let's see if we have anything right here. Nope. Okay, so we have to download NVIDIA app too also. So I'm going to get back with you after I download a couple things, and then I'll show you guys some of the graphics settings. Alright, so now we're recording off the actual PC that we just built. We're on OBS, and we just got into our Arc Raiders account. We're going to start a match with nothing, and we're going to show you guys the benchmarks. So right now I'm averaging 60 on all high settings. I'll show you guys that we are all high settings. Not credits, settings, graphics. All high graphics. We're running a constant 60 FPS. We're taking 50% of our GPU though. This is not a really good GPU. This is a 3050, so this is always an upgradable GPU. It was only $200. So therefore, I think it's a really good start for a medium tower gaming computer. And so let's just run a match, see if we go under 60 or stay above it, or go above it or stay at the same. I haven't really played much Arc Raiders recently, so we'll see how we do. Let's just go try to find a hatch. I just wanted to show you guys. Not bad, Renegade. If we can get out of here with just this Renegade, it'd be nice.
Head home at the North Complex elevator.
If we can get there right now, that'd be great. But yeah, we're still at a cool 70. We haven't really cut down other than when we jumped off that little hill. I think we cut down to 15. I'm not sure if that was just because, you know, this is my first time using the GPU ready to warm up. Not warm up, but you know, like, we just now got everything installed. I could probably download some more graphic settings and get on the NVIDIA app, but we'll have to see. I'm gonna push this, so if I die, I can still crawl in. There's probably other raiders around here, though. Okay, those Arc are down. So far, so good, though. I mean, we're staying at still a constant 70, even with all this action. It's not bad. Alright, so that's the Arc Raiders. We're gonna do Arena Breakout, so let's go ahead and jump on Arena Breakout real quick and show you guys what we're running on Arena Breakout. Alright, jumping into a quick game of Arena Breakout Infinite on PC. This is a PC only game. We're getting a consistent 60 FPS right now. This is a pretty GPU hard game. We're using 50% of it right now, but I guarantee this will go up as we play the game in the middle of it. We might even see our frames drop below 60. This game is more hardcore on your frames than I would say Arc Raiders is by a lot. But let's jump into the game, see what it's averaging, and then we'll end the video off there. Alright, so I just pretty much went in quick hit real quick. I'm pretty sure it's a quick hit. We're just gonna run at the first team that I know where spawns in this corner, and we're gonna see how the FPS does when we're fighting somebody real quick. The game's kind of choppy, I will say that. My 4070 Super would not be acting like this right now. These dudes are in this corner, I hear them. I don't think he knows I'm here. Oh, he does now. He's dead as fuck.
shooting. He has a big backpack. What the fuck? Oh damn, I just went past that. I think we got 400k loot value, 3 kills. That's what it said. But anyway, we stayed at a constant 60 the whole round. I said even I think it was one drop that we went down below 60. But for a 3050, a $200 graphics card, I think this is a good deal. We got 500k in the first match. I haven't played this game for a while too, so that's really good, I would say. I'm gonna retrieve all this, but I'm gonna end the video off here. See you guys in the next one. Be Too Crazy out.